So this is the first opening that we have, which is in secure NAS, right? They are hiring for SOC Analyst Tier 3. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next opening is basically someone is hiring for the cybersecurity professional for multiple roles. It's walking drive 9th May 2026 is the date, and it's like 10th a.m. to 3 p.m. is the time. This is the Pune location where they are located doing, right? And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Meanwhile, if you're looking for associate internship, just check out this URL and you will get 100% guaranteed internship, right? Now, next is if you're looking for cybersecurity GRC consultant role, this is what we have, which is in Bangalore. This is what they are looking for. 5 to 7 days is the after that immediate joiner, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next is L1 NOC engineer, work from office, which is in Pune. Skills is routing and switching. This is Pune location. 1 to 3 years of experience required, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop it. Next is cybersecurity consultant. 3 to 5 years of experience is required. This is Pune on site. The other roles, right? This is what to have, right? And this is mail ID on which you can drop it. Pune, there is a hiring for VAPT. 3 to 5 years of experience is required. Skills is this is what you can see, and there are texts which is required, right? And guys, if you would like to apply, just let me know. I'll sell you mail ID, right? That's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask. This is Cyber Coffee YouTube channel in Hindi, where you can see our content in Hindi, which is on multiple aspects. Okay, so right. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.